Okay, the next aspect which we are going to discuss is marketing concept. Okay, so what does this marketing concept says that we are not in business just for the purpose of making profit, but also we need to take care that all the stakeholders who are involved into that business are also being satisfied. Means customers are being taken care of, society is being taken care of, government is being taken care of, employees are being taken care of. So while doing the marketing, we have to understand that all the stakeholders who are involved into the business, they are also being taken care of, plus profit maximization is also being accomplished by the company concerned. So whatever the products which we are going to produce, okay, so we first of all in through this concept focus on detailed research as to what is being asked by the customer, what price they are willing to pay, okay, and what features should be there in that product, okay. So that is the first important thing. Secondly, we start identifying the target market area where we have to sell our product, okay. So first detailed information is as to what type of products, what should be the design, what should be the shape, structure, okay, that is being information is being collected. Then we try to find out the target market area, as to which market where we are going to sell our product, okay, who want our product, and that is the another important area. And we also try to understand how many competitors are there in that particular area, what are the products they are being offering, what is the price they are being charging, and what other benefits they are offering. So all that is being taken care of before designing or producing or developing any product, okay. सो यहाँ कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन मेन आपका फोकस एरिया हो जाता है कि कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट्स को अंडरस्टैंड किया जाता है कि कस्टमर को चाहिए क्या। ये नहीं कि हमने प्रोडक्ट बना दिया और उसके बाद हम उसकी एडवर्टीजमेंट करके उसको प्रमोट करके मार्केट में उसकी जगह बनाएंगे। हम पहले उसके बारे में डिटेल स्टडी करेंगे, क्या चाहिए, कितना किस एज ग्रुप में क्या-क्या प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए, कैसे उसका शेप, साइज, कलर एक्सेट्रा वगैरह होना चाहिए, उसको क्या उसमें फीचर्स चाहिए, सो उसकी वो सेटिस्फेक्शन करवा सके। तो ये बेसिक जो एस्पेक्ट है, ये मार्केटिंग कांसेप्ट का काम है। अब आप आ जाते हैं नेक्स्ट, that is the societal concept. Okay, so societal marketing concept is a new concept which is being introduced, and this says that whatever the product we are going to produce and advertise and market in the market, it is very important that it should also keep in consideration the requirements of the society, okay. तो society को इग्नोर नहीं करे, उसके वेलफेयर को, कस्टमर के वेलफेयर को, सोसाइटी के वेलफेयर को, एनवायरमेंटल वेलफेयर को ना इग्नोर करे। मींस it should take into consideration the social, moral, ethical and ecological aspects of marketing। ऐसे नहीं है कि ब्लंटली वो प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट कर रहा है, आपको अपना प्रोडक्ट, जैसे आपके पास बहुत सारे ऐसे tobacco products हैं which are being introduced, which are being advertised in the market under different guise, okay, but that is harmful for the customer, since it can cause cancer and various other diseases. तो ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि सोसाइटी हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, कस्टमर हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो मार्केटिंग करते वक्त हमें वो सोशल मॉरल एथिकल नॉर्म्स को मेंटेन करना चाहिए जिससे कि सोसाइटी के ऊपर कोई डेट्रीमेंटल इम्पैक्ट ना आए। ओके, तो यहाँ ये इम्पोर्टेंट है दैट इन दिस कंसेप्ट वी हैव टू lay focus that whatever the product which we are going to introduce, that is just not satisfying the customer's requirement, but also is laying focus that it is socially acceptable। okay, कि सिर्फ ह्यूमन वांट्स को ही सेटिस्फाई नहीं करता हो, बट वो सोसाइटी के डेट्रीमेंट के लिए नहीं हो, मतलब सोसाइटी को नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता होना चाहिए। प्रोडक्ट लाइक ड्रग्स है, अल्कोहल है, और भी कई प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। तो ये आपको फोकस स्ट्रेस ले डाउन करवा रहा है that you need to market the product for human satisfaction, for desired satisfaction of the customers, but you have to ensure that you are not going to market any such product in the market which is negatively making an impact on the society's well-being। तो ये तो है आपके पास philosophies of marketing। अब हम आगे करते हैं functions of marketing। सबसे पहला फंक्शन है मार्केटिंग का एनालाइजिंग एंड सॉरी gathering and analyzing। and analyzing market information। So the word itself states that gathering. That first job is that whenever we are going to produce any product and introduce in the market, it is very important that first of all we gather the information from the market as to how many competitors are there, okay, what products they have launched, okay, products of the competitor, what are customers need, okay, then uh, various target markets। So we have to gather various types of informations which are available related to our product. Before launching any product, we are going to gather the information about what all the environment is there with respect to any product which we can be launching in future। So that is the first aspect, and then after we have gathered, we will analyze that information bit by bit, that how we are in an advantageous position when we will be launching our product, and what will be benefit being accomplished by us, how much of the sales or turnover will be there, okay, and what amount of profit will be earned in the first few months or various other whatever the time we fix for our break even or profit and to come back। तो ये सारा क्या है कि एनालिसिस है हमारे पास। तो मार्केटिंग में सबसे पहला फंक्शन मार्केटिंग का है that it gathers each and every bit of information and then analyzes point by point, so that we have detailed information before going into the market or before producing a product and launching it into the market for the customer satisfaction। We need to understand what market is actually in need of, and at what price, what quality, and what quantity, and at what point of time they need that product. That is very important. So that is what marketing is doing. The first function is gathering and then analyzing the information. Okay, तो ट्रेंड्स वगैरह जो भी हैं वो सारा कुछ एनालाइज करना. सेकेंड एस्पेक्ट इज योर मार्केट प्लानिंग. Market planning is basically we are now developing a plan as to what are the objectives to be accomplished by through marketing. ओके कि हमारा एक प्लान हम इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं कि कितना मार्केट शेयर वी आर गोइंग टू ग्रैब थ्रू आवर मार्केटिंग. ओके कि हम प्रेजेंटली 10% पे हैं, तो हम हमारा फोकस है कि 20 to 25% तक हम अपना मार्केट शेयर इंक्रीज कर लें विद इन नेक्स्ट 3 to 5 years. ओके, so that is basically we are going to develop a market plan as to through what route we are going to move so that we can accomplish the target which we have laid down for us. Okay, तो इसमें ये हो सकता है कि प्रोडक्शन लेवल्स आप इंक्रीज कर सकते हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे फोकस कर सकते हो, प्रमोशन पे फोकस कर सकते हो, एंड वेरियस अदर aspects which are required to be focused upon so that our sales, our turnover can increase and we can grab more and more share of the market. Okay, so that is the another important aspect, that we have to plan our track our route chart before before entering into market. Okay, or into various target markets, that what we are going to do in next 3 to 5 years, where we are today and where we will be after these 3 to 5 years, and how we will move on various aspects so that we can accomplish the targets which we have laid down for ourselves. तो ये market plan है. फिर इसके बाद another important function is your product design and development. Okay, product design. Now the another important in the area on which marketing lays down its emphasis is what is the design, shape, size, appearance of the product, because that plays an important role. Okay, in attracting more and more customers, making them feel confident about the product, and creating in them an urge to buy or not to buy the product. That is very important. Sometimes cost is not the factor, but the features which are being offered by the product is very important. Like when we buy any vehicle, we buy mileage, we buy the shape, size, style, color, okay, and interiors, features which are being offered, what Bluetooth, what music system, what parking technologies are being offered, okay, maneuverability technologies or sitting arrangement, how comfortable those are. So every such thing is being and how high tech it is being. So all such things are being taken into consideration, okay, are being offered to the customer while and we are creating a product or designing a product. We have to focus all these things, because customer is not just buying a product, but they are buying the features associated with that product, styling or color or shape of that particular, or the aspect, the soft aspects which are being offered through that in the form of technology, that is being purchased by the customer. And marketing is laying emphasis nowadays on the product designing and development aggressively. Okay, Another important function is your standardization and grading. Okay. So standardization is very important because we have to create a uniformity and consistency. If the standardization, a standard size of the product is not being defined, okay, it will not assure you the quality of the product. Okay, then it will become difficult for you to package the product. You have to develop different packages if the standard size of the product goes on changing. You have to change the setting of the machine now and then, so that will affect the quality and quantity of the product. So it is very important that for proper testing, evaluation, inspection, that we need to have a standard size fixed for the products which are being produced. The standard packaging need to be produced so that the product can easily be transported from the production areas to the consumption areas. That is very important. Okay, तो ये यूनिफॉर्मिटी और कंसिस्टेंसी को इंश्योर करता है स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन, इवन क्वालिटी को भी इंश्योर करता है, एंड रिड्यूसेस द wear tear of the machines which are producing these products. Then there is another important aspect in this is grading. Grading is basically classification of the product into various categories, okay, into various groups on the basis of their different features. For example, when we are having apples from the orchard, so we are grading them on the basis of color, on the basis of size, on the basis of shape, on the basis of smell. Okay, so ये आपके पास है या जूस कंटेंट है, उसके बेसिस पे उनको सेग्रीगेट किया जाता है. Okay, and this happens in every type of product, either it is agriculture product or it is your industrial product, that we need to do the grading, we need to segregate them as per their quality standards, so that we can easily fix the price and promote the product accordingly. So ये हमारे पास another important function है. फिर आपके पास another important aspect which we are going to discuss is that is packaging and labeling. Packaging and labeling plays an important role in any marketing. Packaging is basically concerned with designing and development of the outer structure of the product, of the product or the package through which we are going to offer the market offering. Okay, तो पैकेज मतलब ये नहीं कि आपके पास डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरह के पैकेज है. एक होता है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पैकेज, होता है एक सेकेंडरी पैकेज, होता है एक प्राइमरी पैकेज. होता है प्राइमरी पैकेज, इट कैन बी ए पैकेज वेयर you can take out the product and throw away that pack, a cardboard pack, or finally the product itself is a package, like laptop is there. So you have to design that package accordingly so that it is easy to carry and to store or handle whatever the things are there. So packaging plays an important, and labeling is also important along with packaging. तो आपको पैकेज सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, कोई की सेफ्टी हैंडलिंग नहीं है, वो अपने आप को प्रमोट भी कर रहा है. ओके, प्रोडक्ट फॉर एग्जांपल, you are going to buy an oil bottle, so when you see different companies bottle, they will be having different shapes and sizes. Through with that shape and size, you can easily identify that which product belongs to which company. Okay, that is the another important aspect, that it promotes itself, the product, it promotes the product on its own. That is what the package is basically concerned with. Okay, फिर आपके पास है कि लेबलिंग बेसिकली क्या है? लेबलिंग इज helping us in communicating the information as to what is available in this product, what is the contents of the of that particular product. Okay, so it explains the features, how to use that product, and various other contents of the product are being explained with the help of labeling, and that is the another important aspect. So this is what the packaging is. Packaging basically इसलिए की जाती है कि easy to carry, easy to store, easy to handle. Okay, and it should also advertise the product on its own. Like Apple phone is there, so the product, the shape and structure and the logo itself is defining, or shape of the phone is keep the logo aside, shape and structure of the phone is defining itself, that okay, I am not an ordinary phone, I am Apple. So though counterfeiting is being done, but still it has a unique shape and size that is making it, that is creating a special space for that phone as compared to other मोबाइल फोन. सो ये है पैकेज. तो ये पैकेज है. अब इसके ऊपर आप जो आउटर बॉक्स आता है उस पे सारी डिटेल्स लिखी होती हैं. वो सारा क्या है? लेबलिंग है, विच एक्सप्लेन व्हाट दिस प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल अबाउट and how you can use, and various other aspects are being detailed on the front of the secondary package in which that phone is stored. तो वो labeling है. Okay, so these are some of the functions which we have discussed. Next we will discuss in next lecture. Thanks.